Hello.
Yanesh.
Hi, Mani sir. We have now been associated with each other for the past 8 years, sir.
Mm-hmm.
We are doing a survey with some of our esteemed customers and people who are actually very close to us, like a family, to understand us and them better mutually. Sir, what
Mm-hmm.
is the best thing you've liked about our association in the last 8 years?
You guys are very pushy here,
That is something which you like?
kind of,
Oh,
at
that's
times.
that's that's a compliment because generally अगर कोई बोलता है pushy है then people say यार I don't like that. So I take it
But
as
you
a
didn't.
compliment.
But you
This
didn't
is
listen completely. I qualified that. At times, I said
acha. So probably it
it
is
cuts both ways.
okay. So I take that as a compliment and I also take that something which you are not happy about.
Yeah.
Something which you are very happy about our association, sir, other than being pushy.
No, I think one of the greatest, I would appreciate is you've tried to be in contact in spite of me not being in Hyderabad since 7 years now.
Yeah,
So,
nearly 7 years.
so that is something which I appreciate, and let me also tell you, my wife also appreciates that.
Oh, thank you so much. संयुक्ता मैम को हमारी तरफ से थैंक यू बोलिएगा.
Sure, sure.
Uh, Something which you've not been happy about our association.
Being pushy when I don't need you to.
Okay. So one thing is something being pushy in terms of the investments,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? Anything else, sir?
No, I think that's it. So,
Sir, but
I
don't
like
you believe?
regular updates which you keep sending.
Uh-huh.
You also, you send across those articles which definitely are worth reading for anybody.
Mm-hmm.
I definitely enjoy reading those because I am a finance professional by profession. So it's always a wonderful read going through some of those articles which are there on your website too.
Sure. Anything else, sir?
I think so. This is overall. I think I'm a pretty satisfied guy. I think I can rely on you. I can pick up the phone and tell you, Niyesh, अगर मेरे को कोई ज़रूरत है, something is bugging me financially on my mind. I think you're there for advice. So at least I have not leveraged that till now, but I'm pretty confident that you will stand up and provide me with your valuable advice.
Sure, sir. We are there for it. Sir, what actually made you buy from us for the first time?
So the first one was, I think, Srinivas Bhattiprolu. He
Correct.
was my neighbor and my good
Correct.
friend, right? So
Right.
you had visited him.
Correct. Correct.
So and then you came over to my place, and then I said, "Nee, I was not interested," but you still pestered.
Right.
I like the way you actually had a very optimistic stance. So which is what I liked, and you explained things pretty clearly, simulated things to me. So I think I've not made a wrong choice at that point of time. So thanks to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, how can we make our relationship stronger?
Yeah, I think the way it can go from here is sound investment advice and opportunities which come up. Like for example, the discussion we earlier had. And since you are interacting with a wide range of folks and providing them investment advice, so a person of my profile can leverage some of the knowledge which you have with your clientele, and how the industry is moving, how people are thinking things are going to move. Those kind of inputs really help in terms of recalibrating my approach towards certain investment thoughts I have in mind.
Sure, that's a very valid point, sir. Anything which you believe, sir, which we need to work on to improve our service?
Bringing more local presence, I would say. See, in Pune, I do not know whether Sangi consultancy is over here, so I think that can also help. I know it has a cost element to that, and you are leveraging technology to the fullest, I would say. Some of the conversations you've had with my friend, my references, they have come back and said that yeah, this guy is good. So so you are leveraging it, but I think at the end of the day, some amount of local presence is required to kind of push the folks or to have that personal touch kind of a thing. You being in Hyderabad, contacting us and things like that, it's good because I know you. We have met, but beyond that, I think it is some amount of local presence we should have.
Right, sir. That's a very valid point. Few of the other friends also have raised that. We are trying to see what best, because whoever we hire or we put in, because I would not be able to have all the places of mine placed everywhere. So I'm looking for people who are as passionate about the work, and someone who really wants to get a relationship rather than getting into a business deal. So we have been trying to work out, but we have been primarily working out in two places. One is in Bangalore. New Delhi, we already have opened up an office. We have a full-fledged office in New Delhi. We have a full-fledged office in Jaipur. We are trying to work out something in Bangalore now. अगर पुणे में कोई आपके जान पहचान के हैं सर, who is very passionate about bringing a relationship, doing a financial planning, and helping some of the people whom he knows or he is in touch with, and he's a local person, we will be very happy to get associated with him. कोई है तो please बताइएगा sir.
So I've kind of not met anybody whom I can immediately think of, but I'll keep a watch on that.
Sure. अगर कोई है आपके फैमिली में भी कोई है, cousins, relatives who are not happy with their job and they want to get into who have done their MBA finance or who've been into this business in the past, so we are ready to work as an association.
Who is happy in his own job? मेरे को बोलो. I mean in his job.
सर बहुत सारे लोग हैं, I've seen, I'm not sure.
Taking you for a ride. Come on, yeah. No one is happy in his job.
नहीं सर, मैं I totally agree, but I have seen people who are very happy. I have seen people. There are few of my friends who earn 40,000-50,000 rupees a month, and they are into a business like I am in, and उनको जैसे ही 40,000-50,000 उनका जेब में आ जाता है ना, they are so happy कि बस इस महीने का हो गया है. I'm not sure, but I have noticed this very much in South India. In the northern region, अगर कोई आदमी कमाता है तो उसकी भूख और बढ़ जाती है कि मैं 40 कमा रहा हूँ, अगर 1 लाख रुपए कमा रहा हूँ. You won't believe it, Manish sir, when I started to work 16 years back, I used to earn 5,000 rupees a month. Now my income would be at least 100 times than that minimum, but still I believe we can grow further. So it is something which is it's a mindset. Once you start becoming, मैं काफी सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स को, मेरे टीम वालों को भी बोलता हूँ कि उनका टारगेट हो जाता है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर्क ऑन टारगेट्स कि मेरा टारगेट हो गया, मैं खुश हूँ. व्हाई डोंट वी गेट इनटू द नेक्स्ट लेवल, थिंक बिगर. सो वो काफी सारे लोग सोचते नहीं है. काफी सारे लोग अभी भी मुझे मालूम है जॉब में बहुत खुश हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हैं मनीषा, हम लोग सोचते हैं ऐसा. वैसे आप जैसे कुछ लोग हैं, मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं सत्यम में, हु आर वेरी वेरी सीनियर. TSK, कार्तिक नटराजन, दे आर वेरी सीनियर पीपल. मैं हमेशा उनको ये बोलता था, यार तुम्हारा जैसा टैलेंट अगर जॉब कर रहा है तो इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ योर कैलिबर. बट दे आर सो हैप्पी. वो कभी वो छोड़ना ही नहीं चाहते जॉब. और मे बी देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी कि अगर वो जॉब छोड़ के बिजनेस चालू करें तो वुड दे बी सक्सेसफुल एज दे आर इन देयर जॉब. सो इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट.
So tell me, after all these expansion, is your wife still in the jewelry business, or she's still a jewelry designer, or she started something on her own?
She is a jewelry designer, but not as active she was before, because now I have 2 kids. One is 4 years old and one is around 8 months old. So अभी थोड़ा सा activity कम हो गया है. But my father-in-law has been pushing me to open up a retail outlet in Hyderabad for jewelry. मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार साहब, आजकल यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, लास्ट 2 साल में 10 दिन, 1 महीने में 4-5 दिन तो ऐसा होता है तेलंगाना बंद, ये बंद, वो बंद. मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार कुछ भी हो जाए 19-20 तो और हमारा क्या है, ज्वेलरी में तो एक सेट मनीष कैन गो अप टू 6 लाख, 7 लाख, 10 लाख, 25. हमने एक हीरे देखे हुए हैं. इनफैक्ट द स्टोन विच आई वॉज वेयरिंग, अ सॉलिटेयर, that one solitaire costed 7.5 lakh rupees.
हाँ,
तो मैं बोला यार कल को ये ले लेके देने, कल को जो हो जाए 19-20, आप तो मुझे माल क्रेडिट पे भेज दोगे, मुझे पैसे तो चुकाना पड़ेगा ना, आज नहीं तो कल. भाई ठीक है
So,
प्लीज.
very true to Niyesh's work style. Though you have been expanding, left, right, center, you still spread your eggs pretty wide. Like you're not allowed your wife to come into your business because वो एक diversification तुम्हारा अभी भी है.
वो नहीं होगा सर. सी माई वाइफ्स बिजनेस इज, सर हमारा दोनों का बिजनेस बहुत अलग है. इन वाइफ्स बिजनेस शी इज इन डिमांड. In our business, our client is in demand. But we have to approach our client. In my wife's business, the jewelers, get in touch with her.
So that is a perfect diversification, right?
That is definitely a perfect diversification, but that needs a lot of investment. In our business, what business we are into, it doesn't require a lot of investment other than the office setup. उसमें क्या है, ज्वेलरी का वैल्यूएशन ही करोड़ों में चले जाता है सर. आप 100 ज्वेलरी के सेट लगाओ, वही 50-60 लाख रुपए के हो जाते हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट हेवी इन्वेस्टमेंट बिजनेस. मैं आई हैव स्टार्टेड एवरीथिंग ऑन माय ओन. दो माय फादर ग्रैंडफादर ऑल हैव बीन इन बिजनेस, आई हैव नेवर जॉइंड देयर बिजनेस. इट्स जस्ट दैट अगर मैं चालू करता हूँ तो इट विल नीड अ लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. और मुझे ये लगता है, सम आई हैव अ फीलिंग कि कोई भी बिजनेस आज की तारीख में कोई आदमी, समझदार आदमी, अपना पैसा लगा के नहीं करता है. सारे धंधे वाले लोग जितने भी ये बिजनेसमैन हैं, अंबानी से लेकर के whoever you talk about, they all play on public money. ये आईपीओ जो आते हैं, रिलायंस पावर का आईपीओ आया था सर, उनका कोई सेटअप भी नहीं था, उन्होंने मार्केट से so it's
I remember that, yeah.
So it's a different way of today business. Doing on your own money is a foolishness. Probably you should not do your business on your own money. It's all you have to get into as least as investment as. तो मेरा थोड़ा सा business जो aptitude है थोड़ा सा अलग है. My wife's aptitude is separate. My father-in-law has been into this jewelry business for generations now, so he has a separate kind of a mindset.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हमारे को कभी भी मैं कभी भी उनको ये बोलता हूँ कि मैं क्यों माल खरीदूँ 1-2 करोड़ रुपए का अपने पास रखूँ. अगर मैं 1-2 करोड़ रुपए का माल खरीद करके उसको 1 साल ब्याज में भी रखूँ, वो माल बिके ना, तो मेरे को 12% का रिटर्न मिलेगा, तो 12 लाख रुपए तो ऐसे ही हो गया मेरे को. तो मेरा थोड़ा सा उस मामले में अलग है सर. मनीष सर, वेयर वुड यू लाइक टू सी आवर एसोसिएशन 10 years from now?
See, I think the base expectation still remains the same, in terms of a financial advisor. But obviously, 10 years from now, the level of, association should be definitely much bigger in terms of, some kind of a joint investment with your clientele or you perceive, in something in an area like just we spoke about it a short while back,
Correct.
like commercial property,
Correct.
where
Correct.
our thinking and our interests meet.
Correct.
And the trust factor which has been developed, it takes the next level.
Correct. I also believe the same, and probably good we are in sync. Sir, any other feedback which you like to share with me?
No, not really. I think I've spoken about it. Some of the things which probably you or your organization needs to work with. As I said, local presence,
Sure.
something definitely which will help you and also help me at times too.
Sure. Sir, if you had to rate us starting from 1 to 5,
Mm-hmm.
1 being excellent
Mm-hmm.
and 5 being poor,
Mm-hmm.
where would you like to rate us, sir?
4.
4 means it's less than poor.
Sorry, 2.
2. Okay. So that means that's good.
Yeah.
Something specific you believe we can work on to become 1?
Yeah, if the association gets into the next level, and whenever it does, I think it will be a 1.
Sure. So that is anyway we have to work, and you'll have to give me a feedback on that, sir.
Yeah. So that is that. So the level of trust has to reach the next milestone for me to rate you 1. right?
Sure.
Now we've had a relationship of a financial advisor and a trusted financial advisor. Let me not, be candid. Be soft about this issue. But then, the next 10 or 15 years are probably the most crucial period of my life from an investment phase.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
So it has to be a marked improvement from where we are today.
Correct. Very true.
If you help me get that next level of financial comfort, security, whatever that may be, I think it will give me a good. I will be successful, and so will you be.
That's what we want. We want everyone to grow together, so that'll be a win-win situation for everyone. Sir, any specific thing which you believe that we have had as a competitive advantage, a unique special feature about our organization? We believe this is something which you really need to, be keeping in your hands always.
Personal attention and trust.
Okay, so that's one is personal touch and one is trust. That these are two things which you always need to keep in mind. Great, sir.
Absolutely. Rest everything can be bought.
Great, I appreciate this, sir. Sir, I've just sent you a mail which says important things to discuss with your better half. Can you please open that mail from me and I'll give you a call back?
Was Niyesh